Hello, in this video I will show you how to effectively utilize LinkedIn's data by using HeyReach and how your business can benefit from this platform. First, let's start by performing a search on LinkedIn. I'm searching for CEOs, founders, or co-founders. LinkedIn will provide up to 1000 results for this search. Next, copy the LinkedIn URL, head back to HeyReach, navigate to searching area, and just paste the search URL. Then select a LinkedIn account to perform the searching and extraction of the data. Now, this is a cloud-based solution, meaning you can add multiple searches simultaneously. Now, let's perform a LinkedIn company search. Copy the company search URL, head back to HeyReach, paste it, select the LinkedIn account to do the searching and extraction, and there you go. And if you have the Sales Navigator subscription, you can still effectively utilize the Sales Navigator's filters and extract all of the people within this list. So once I have done my filters, copying the Sales Navigator search URL, heading back to HeyReach, passing it on, and selecting an account which has the Sales Navigator subscription. As you can see on the left-hand side, you can do various searches, such as Sales Navigator account search by extracting companies, group member search, event attendees, post engagers, and in the near future, you will be able to import your own data. So once we have the initial results, you can see that we are providing the name, the headline, the job title, the company, and the location. The email will be on demand. You can decide which emails do you want to extract. Once the search is done, you can save the search and name it. Next up is the most powerful feature that HeyReach has to offer. So we want to start a campaign based on the prospect list that we have. First, let's select the list that we just scraped. Second, apply the exclusion filters, such as exclude people with no profile, previously messaged, and first-year connections. Second, you need to select which LinkedIn accounts do you want to execute this campaign. I can assign multiple LinkedIn accounts to do the campaign for me in the background, and all of them will simultaneously act in an account rotation manner, avoiding duplication of prospects. Here you can set the time zone that correlates with the people within your list, set the working days and the working hours. Next, it's time to build your campaign. You can start off by sending connection requests or other actions. If you start off by sending connection requests, then you can type out your personalized connection message here using the message variables. And you can add multiple message variations. Or you can ask ChatGPT to create a message for you. Here you have additional setting which says that if a connection request is not accepted between 25 days, we will automatically withdraw the connection request because we want to keep the account safe, but not by not having a lot of pending connection requests. Two things might happen when you're sending a connection request. Either you will get accepted or not. So let's say that in 5 days you're still not accepted, then you can add multiple actions here just to do multiple touch bases with that particular profile. In this way, you are sending them signals that you want to connect with that particular person. But if you do get accepted, what I would like to do is immediately, without a delay, send them a thank you message. Here you can add different texts that can help your business grow or pre-qualify your leads. This flow over here is not limited, so you can add as many follow-ups as you want. Once you build your flow, the next step is to launch the campaign. So there you go, you have your test campaign with these accounts affecting 1,000, approximately 2,000 leads. But have this in mind, if you're running a multi-account approach, sending out multiple messages with multiple variations, how do you handle the responses? That is why we have a unified inbox that combines all of the LinkedIn accounts together. So here you're actually looking at all of the conversations from the LinkedIn accounts that you have in your HeyReach organization. You can filter them out by any specific account, and you can type out the responses from here. If you want, you can assign tags to each prospect. So let's say I want to assign a different tag to this prospect based on our conversation. I can filter out conversations by campaigns or by tags. Once I have my tags set up, I can export these users to my CRM. So either it's going to be a HubSpot or a Pipedrive integration that will help you keep your CRM clean. You can do this one by one, or you can do this in bulk. Setting up an integration with HeyReach is a straightforward process. All you need to do is just select the type of CRM, name it, and provide us with your private API key. Reporting is a great deal when it comes to running outreach campaigns. That is why we have the unified dashboard, in which you can see the performance of each account within your HeyReach organization. You can filter them out by campaigns or select a specific date range. Here you can see the statistics of each account and their performance with HeyReach. But another thing that comes to mind is the safety of the accounts. That is why when you're connecting a LinkedIn account with HeyReach, you need to tell us which country is your LinkedIn account mostly active from. In that way, we are dedicating a residential proxy to your LinkedIn account. LinkedIn will never suspect an automation being connected to your LinkedIn account. Here, by selecting a country, providing us your LinkedIn email address and your LinkedIn password, you are ready to start off. Within the LinkedIn account, you can find detailed statistics about the performance. So, what were the statistics and what can be done to improve that particular profile. Since this is a team sport, you can add multiple team members within your HeyReach organization. These people may or may not have LinkedIn account connected with HeyReach. So this is the most efficient way to utilize LinkedIn data. You can scrape LinkedIn data at scale, and you can assign multiple LinkedIn accounts which do not need to bypass the LinkedIn limits. They can stay safe, and all you need to do is just divide the traffic between the LinkedIn accounts. So does your team have 15 minutes each day to log into HeyReach and handle the responses and transfer cold leads into sales qualified prospects? Let us know. We would like to get in touch with you.